Hello, hello. How are you today? Nice. I am super wonderful. If I two, three. Today our activity is super easy. Okay? We have to think about the shapes and the sequence. Look at here. Blue triangle, yellow circle. Blue triangle, something is missing. Blue triangle, yellow circle. What shape is missing in here? And what color? Think about a little bit and try to do by yourself, okay? If you have any question, you can ask me during our class, okay? Let's see one more time. Blue triangle, yellow circle. Blue triangle. I think you are able to do by yourself. And the same thing happened here. But on the second line are different colors and shapes. Square, circle, square is missing. Square, circle is missing. Then on the third line, triangle, square, circle, missing. Square, circle, triangle, missing. Pay attention, think about a little bit and do it, okay? I want to see. Please show me, send me pictures, but if you don't know how to do it, come and ask me next class. Deal? Okay, my friends, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.